welcome to the fantastic meeting. Today I want to talk about icebreakers. Do you know what an icebreaker is? An icebreaker is something, a game or some activity you can utilize within a meeting. So I'm going to show you one today. So everybody grab a piece of paper. Needs to be an A4 piece of paper, and then put it in half. You can see mine is in half. Okay. On the one side of it, write your name. So my name is Vanessa. Some people spell with an A. Mine is, I'm a VE, Vanessa. So when you've done that, then also on the second page, put numbers. You can see these are numbers. These are numbers you can be your bank account number. It can be your part of your ID number. It can be any number that you feel resonates with you. So how this kind of normally works, it's just a little bit of a twist to the tail. Instead of standing up and say, hi, I'm Vanessa, I'm bored today, or I don't want to be part of this whole meeting, something simple like that. I want to make it fun. I want to make it something quite interesting. So use the chat box, speak to me. You can, it's a very interactive activity. So who thinks what number 11 might stand for? Yes, that is the month that I am born in. I'm born in November. So you guys see number 2? What do you guys think number 2 is for? Yes, it's how long I've been married for. I've been married for 2 years. 117, it's where I stay. It's my place. I stay at number 117. 16, that is how old my little Uno car is. I can't believe it's still actually running after all these years. I'm the second owner of that car, and I love the little car. I call it my little Sputnik. So the last one is number 32. What do you guys think number 32 is for? Yes, it's my age. I'm 32 years old. I'm giving myself away here. It's terrible. So this is something that, we're going to obviously put you guys into different chat rooms because we're quite a big group of people here. In that, I want you guys to have this with you. Have it. This is who I am. This is my name. And then people can obviously guess all the numbers, and you guys can get to know each other a little bit more. It's quite nice for small groups. You can utilize it within big groups, and try not to use the same, frequency or the same things that I spoke about. I, for example, had somebody that put a 0 in his little ID, and everybody was like, "What is the 0?" It's how many hairs he had on his head. He had 0 hair on his head, so it means he was bald. How fabulous is that? So really utilize this. I think it's a fantastic way of getting to know each other instead of saying, this is who I am, this is what I do. This is a lot more integrated. You can obviously have one extra number or so, but try not keep it too long. Nobody needs to know your whole ID. So yes, I'm going to put everybody in a different chat room. And then when we come back, we can have a little bit of a small chat around that.